Hello, everyone, welcome back to the channel Future Force. Please subscribe and like my videos because today we are going to dive deep into one of the most dramatic stories of the Russia-Ukraine war, a story that represents not just a single strike, but the transformation of modern warfare itself. Ukrainian drones have managed to destroy a massive Russian weapon factory, a facility that was considered crucial for Moscow's war machine. This script is going to give you the full picture, exploring what the factory looked like from the outside, what was happening inside, how the drones performed, why their technology is so significant, how the economics of this attack plays out, and what this event means for the future of warfare. Stay tuned till the end, because every part of this review will reveal something about the war that you may not have thought about before. When we start from the outside, the first image that comes to mind is the sheer scale of the facility. Russian military factories are not small buildings tucked into city corners. They are sprawling industrial landscapes with endless chimneys, steel hangars, armored fences, and storage yards packed with trucks and containers. This particular factory stood as one of the symbols of Russia's defense industry, with wide reinforced concrete walls that stretched like a fortress around the compound. The exterior was guarded by armed patrols and anti-aircraft defenses, creating the illusion that it was impenetrable. For years, Russians believed that such infrastructure was far beyond the reach of Ukrainian weapons, hidden deep inside their territory and protected by geography and military strength. But this illusion collapsed the moment drones appeared in the sky and turned the seemingly invincible structure into a firestorm. The fire that engulfed the exterior walls became a symbol of the war's new reality. Appearances of strength do not guarantee safety anymore. Now imagine stepping inside the facility. The interior was a labyrinth of production lines, heavy machinery, and assembly stations designed for the creation of weapons that feed the battlefield. Inside these walls, workers and engineers produced artillery shells, ballistic missile parts, armored vehicle components, and other critical supplies that kept Russia's war effort alive. The noise inside was deafening. Metal stamping, welding sparks, the hum of conveyor belts carrying unfinished shells, and the grinding of massive cutting tools. The ceilings were high enough to fit entire trucks inside the production halls, with cranes moving giant slabs of steel from one place to another. Rooms were packed with electronic equipment, testing chambers, and storage depots filled with completed weapons waiting for delivery. The interior represented more than just a workplace. It represented the logistical backbone of Russia's aggression, the hidden machine behind every missile strike that Ukraine endured. When drones penetrated this interior, they did more than destroy equipment. They disrupted the flow of Russia's entire war economy. The shockwaves were not only physical, but psychological, sending a message that no part of Russia's military infrastructure is safe anymore. The performance of Ukrainian drones in this mission cannot be overstated. What began 2 years ago with small modified commercial drones strapped with grenades has now evolved into a highly professional, long-range drone program. Ukraine has mastered the art of producing drones that are capable of flying hundreds of kilometers, navigating past radar systems, and striking with pinpoint accuracy. In this strike, drones managed to evade Russian electronic warfare systems, bypass anti-aircraft defenses, and hit the factory's weak points with precision explosives. The explosions were not random. They targeted critical nodes, power units, assembly lines, fuel depots, which maximized the damage and set off secondary explosions. This level of performance shows that Ukrainian drones are no longer just improvisational weapons, but highly effective military systems designed with strategy in mind. Their ability to perform consistently and deliver devastating blows has changed the balance of power in the air, making drones the defining weapon of this war. Safety features may not sound relevant when talking about weapons, but in reality, they are crucial for drones. Ukrainian engineers have designed drones with multiple fail-safe systems to ensure accuracy and control. These drones are programmed to self-destruct if intercepted or jammed, preventing them from falling into the wrong hands. They use advanced navigation systems that resist GPS jamming, which is one of Russia's primary defenses. They are also programmed to follow alternative routes if one path becomes compromised, ensuring they still reach their target. Most importantly, drones allow Ukraine to carry out these strikes without risking human lives. Instead of sending soldiers on a suicide mission deep inside enemy territory, Ukraine can send drones that do the job with zero casualties. These safety features not only make the drones more reliable, but also demonstrate the shift in warfare, where technology reduces the risks for soldiers while maintaining high levels of precision. The unique selling points of this attack are what make it so important. First, it proves that Ukraine can hit deep inside Russian territory, far beyond the front line. This breaks the myth that Russian industry is safe from Ukrainian retaliation. Second, it shows the cost-effectiveness of drones compared to traditional weapons. Instead of launching a missile worth millions, Ukraine can send a drone costing a fraction of that amount to achieve the same or even greater impact. Third, it demonstrates the psychological impact drones have on Russia. Knowing that factories, refineries, and depots can be struck at any time forces Russia to divert enormous resources to protect these sites. Finally, the unique selling point of drones is their scalability. Ukraine can produce them in large numbers, modify them for different missions, and launch them in swarms that overwhelm defenses. These selling points make drones not just useful tools, but the centerpiece of Ukraine's modern military strategy. Price is where this story becomes even more striking. A single long-range Ukrainian drone is estimated to cost between $20 and $50 depending on its specifications. In comparison, the Russian weapon factory destroyed in this attack was worth hundreds of millions, possibly even billions when you include the machinery, infrastructure, and weapons stored inside. For the cost of a luxury car, Ukraine managed to cripple a facility that represented years of Russian investment. This kind of economic imbalance is devastating for Russia. It means Ukraine can keep spending relatively small amounts while inflicting disproportionate damage on Moscow's war machine. In prolonged wars, economics can be as decisive as firepower, and drones give Ukraine the ability to stretch its resources while forcing Russia to spend more on defense, repairs, and replacements. When we move towards the broader conclusion, the destruction of this weapon factory represents far more than a single victory. It highlights the shift from traditional warfare to a new era defined by drones, cyber systems, and artificial intelligence. The exterior of the factory showed us that no fortress is too strong for drones. The interior reminded us that these facilities are the lifeblood of war and that striking them can weaken an entire army. The performance of the drones showed us how far Ukraine has come in its technological journey, mastering systems that rival even the world's leading militaries. The safety features revealed a new standard of precision and responsibility in warfare, minimizing risks and maximizing effectiveness. The unique selling points emphasized how drones allow smaller nations to challenge larger aggressors, and the price calculation proved that war is not only fought with weapons, but also with economics, and drones have tilted that balance in Ukraine's favor. But beyond these analytical points, this strike carries a symbolic weight. For the first time, Russia's war industry is being dismantled not by foreign powers or sanctions, but by Ukraine itself, through ingenuity and determination. It shows that courage and creativity can overcome size and numbers. It demonstrates to the world that no matter how powerful an aggressor seems, there are always vulnerabilities, and it forces every nation around the globe to rethink its own defenses. Because if drones can destroy a Russian factory today, tomorrow they could target any strategic site anywhere in the world. The future of warfare is no longer about who has the biggest tanks or the most powerful missiles. It is about who has the smartest, most efficient, and most adaptable technology. This moment in the war is being watched closely by military strategists from the United States, Europe, China, and beyond. Everyone is learning from what Ukraine has done, because this is a glimpse of the battlefield of the future. Wars will no longer be decided solely by manpower and firepower, but by innovation, adaptability, and economic efficiency. Ukraine's drones are teaching the world that small investments can lead to massive results, and that creativity in the face of adversity can rewrite the rules of conflict. So, as we close this review, remember that what happened here is not just about Ukraine and Russia. It is about the birth of a new chapter in military history. The drones that flew across the sky and destroyed a massive weapon factory are more than machines. They are the symbol of a world where technology empowers the weak against the strong, and where distance, fortresses, and fear no longer provide safety. This is the story of how Ukraine turned innovation into strength, and how drones became the future force of war. Thank you for watching this detailed breakdown. If you enjoyed this analysis and want more deep dives into how technology is shaping modern conflicts, don't forget to subscribe to Future Force, like the video, and share it with others. Your support helps us keep bringing you clear, detailed, and powerful reviews of the events that are changing our world today. Stay tuned, because this war is evolving every single day, and together we'll continue to uncover the truth behind the headlines.